Hello, this is Enzo from Ryobi UK. I'm going to be unboxing this and just having a look at it. I'll be using it at the weekend. Won't be using it tonight. I'll be using it at the weekend. I'm going to unbox it. I just bought it at the weekend. Model number R18js and a 0 for 0 tool, I believe. So basically no battery, no charger, just a 0 tool, just a tool. Bought this because obviously you guys, if you watched before, you know I'm revamping the garden, the shed, and we're going to do some decking and blah blah blah. So this is going to be needed for that. Right, so just quickly I'll unbox it in front here, just see what's in there. Just quickly do it. Right, here we go. So obviously just like normal, empty box, boom. There's a box. I always keep my boxes in case I sell on in the future. Do that with everything I buy really, because if you sell it on, people can then, you know, give them to someone as a present, or it looks a bit more impressive than everybody else's online when you got the box with it. So there's the box. Right. Instructions and the manual. God, I've got so many of those. If you have a look, there's a little wad for all my instruction manuals, so that's go on top of there. Again, I really wanted to buy the brushless one. I held on for the brushless one for quite a while. That's why I'm only just getting. I did have another jigsaw, a wired one, made by another company. So I held on because I wanted the brushless. So I've heard it's a lot better. But I looked at several sites in America, and there was no provision to buy in the UK, although I did message one site and they did say they would sell me it. But the live chat I had with the person crashed, and in the end gave up on it. So I thought this will do me for now. Obviously, don't tell the wife, but I'll probably buy the new one when it comes out. Right, I'm looking at it. I think it's big, to be fair. All the other ones I looked at, Erboa, DeWart's, and a couple of other ones, I thought they looked more ergonomic, smaller. This is quite heavy, to be fair. Don't know if I've got any blades with it. Didn't see any blades unless they were. Yep, it comes with one blade. It's a T blade, so it's got a T shape at the top for the quick release mechanism that comes with it. Bear with me while I rip it open. Right, yeah. So it's got a quick release on the front. Let's just get nice and close for you. There's a quick release here, which is really handy. Twist it. Let's see if you see that. And so that you do not need a tool to put the blade in, which is really handy. There we go. Bang, straight in. Awesome. That's good. I like that feature. Right, also on this we've got variable speed at the top. I'll put a battery in so you can quickly hear it. Smaller ones. So this is the noise of it and the speed of it on full. And then I'll adjust it. And I can adjust it right down so it's like a sewing machine. Very good. Great, awesome. Also, on the side of the handle here, we've got a small button here, which means that I'm able to lock it and leave it running. And if I press the button again, it turns off. So I can leave it running for long cuts, which I probably won't use this for long cuts unless I'm cutting out shape. I'll be using my circular saw. Yeah, and then also we've got these on the side. Let's pull the battery off for safety. Also on the side here, if you can make that out, you've got 3 more settings with a dial at the bottom, and they are for cutting. We've got metal we've got plastic, and we've got wood, and with wood curved cuts, and then we've got number 3, just wood straight cuts. So there you go. So it's wood straight cuts, wood straight and curved, plastic and metal, I believe. and there's the dial at the bottom. So there you go. Right, so there it is. Also, you saw when it was on the LED, there's a small LED there. Also, I think it actually does blow some air out the bottom here, so when I do eventually use it at the weekend, I'll see how much dust it actually does blow away, because that's really handy. But it's not, I can feel it's not very strong, but I can feel air coming out of that. So there you go. So there's a look at it. Again, I'll show you the model number, bear with me. It's got the blade in it. And, right, it's model number R18js. R18js-0 normally means 0 tool, no battery. We're going to take the blade out safely again. Show you guys. You just come around that side. So you pull back on that, all the way back, and just releases. Very good. Right, weight-wise, I would say it's quite heavy. But whenever I find something's a bit heavy, a bit like the nail gun that I bought earlier, when something's a bit heavy, I'll always resort to the smaller batteries, which seems to even up the weight. So it sort of counteracts the weight. So it does feel heavy, but then on the other hand, I've not had a battery powered jigsaw, so you know. But I'll always put up with the extra weight, as long as it's not crazy weight. Always put up with the extra weight to be able to take it anywhere I want. So many times in the past when I was younger and you're cutting with a jigsaw and you're trying to go, you can't work out why you can't move anymore, and then you look back and your cord's over the back of the sheet and it's causing you problems. And again, take it anywhere, can't you? Take it anywhere. Around the back of the shed, if you've got no electric, you're there, sorted. So there you go. Right, also, the last feature, which I've never used on a jigsaw before, but I'm sure there's reasons to use it, is can't get that out. Right, is the base plate can be adjusted. We have 2 Allen bolts to go on a 45 each way. I won't do it at the moment because for some reason that thing doesn't want to come out. Right, and you do get the Allen key to do it, and it is stored in there, which I love. Whenever there's a tool for releasing something, I love, like on the grinder when Ryobi give you the Allen key and there's somewhere to store it, because there's nothing worse than you can never find an Allen key, the exact shape, exact size, sorry, not shape, size, to fit it, and then you have to stop what you're doing, bugger off to your shed or your garage and try and root one out. So yeah, there it is. There's the unboxing, there's a look at it. It's R18js-0, again meaning 0 tool as in no battery, I believe. But we've already got the batteries. So there you go. Later at the weekend I'll be using it, and once I've used it I'll post another little video to let you know what I think about it, how it works, how it performs, and if I like it or not, and I'm sure I'm going to. I can't see any reason why I wouldn't like it. Right, thanks a lot.